Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're unpacking a truly fascinating Magento 2 e-commerce case study. It's pretty amazing how eliminating tiny, almost invisible barriers in a customer's experience can lead to absolutely massive revenue growth. If you're a focused learner who loves deconstructing exactly how e-commerce optimization works, well, you're in the exact right place.
Okay, let's dive into this. It's the million-dollar question for anyone running an online business, right? When your sales plateau, do you panic and completely rebuild your website from scratch? Or is there a way to make your existing store work significantly harder for every single visitor? Here is our roadmap for today. We'll quickly cover the Marine Merchant Challenge, map out the shopping journey, look at 4 specific extensions that provided 4 exact solutions, examine the bottom line impact, and finally, uncover the hidden agency advantage. We're going to zoom out from a specific merchant's granular problems right up to a broader agency-level strategy.
Section 1. The Marine Merchant Challenge, Navigating Choppy E-Commerce Waters.
So our subject today is a Wisconsin-based online marine surplus retailer. Now, in the marine and boating world, having a massive catalog with the right products is absolutely essential. But simply having those products sitting in a warehouse is really only half the battle. Their agency did a deep dive and found some serious friction points. Shoppers were struggling with poor discoverability for relevant products. There were missed opportunities for complementary items, like buying a boat battery but not being shown the matching cables. Customers also faced a ton of uncertainty regarding whether a highly specialized part was actually compatible with their boat. Plus, it was super difficult to just browse by trusted brands. And to top it all off, there was incredibly high friction during login and checkout. These are the exact kinds of frustrations that just kill sales.
Moving right along to Section 2, Mapping the Shopping Journey, a structured framework for success. Faced with those exact problems, a lesser agency might just start throwing random code and quick fixes at the website. But instead, they map their solutions directly to the customer's actual journey. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how perfectly every e-commerce friction point we just talked about falls right into one of these 4 buckets: discover, understand, choose, and buy. It's a pipeline. The agency realized that if they could just clear the path at each specific chronological stage, the customer naturally flows right to the checkout page.
Section 3. 4 extensions, 4 solutions. Fixing the leaks in the funnel.
To actually fix those leaks, the agency used specific Magento 2 extensions from Aheadworks, targeting those exact journey stages. It's like a giant puzzle, and every piece fit perfectly. Unaware of complementary products? Boom! They implemented the automatic related products extension. Specialist product uncertainty? They added product questions to build trust. Hard to find by manufacturer? They deployed shop by brand. And for that dreaded login friction, social login. Every single merchant problem met its exact technological match, turning total frustration into a seamless flow.
So the crucial point is that the goal wasn't just throwing 4 new extensions onto a website. It was about strategically connecting each extension to a very specific merchant problem. In the e-commerce world, feature bloat is a real danger, but targeted strategy will always trump thoughtless functionality.
Section 4. The bottom line impact. Turning strategy into massive ROI.
All right, here is where it gets really exciting. By solving those micro frictions, they saw explosive macro-level wins. Average order value increased by an incredible 42.64%, which you'll often see reported in the text shorthand as a plus 42% jump. Think about that. Just by implementing automatic related products and making discovery easier, customers were naturally adding more complementary items to their carts.
And the incredible results didn't stop there. The conversion rate increased by 37.16%, often reported as a 38% boost. This massive KPI jump is the direct result of smoothing out those logins and making brand discovery so much easier. The path to purchase was finally cleared out.
Now, to get completely objective here, we have to look at the full picture. The source provides this important context. These improvements reflect post-implementation performance. Things like overall site traffic, seasonality, merchandising, and external marketing activities definitely play a role in e-commerce metrics too. It's an ecosystem, right? But fixing those friction points was clearly a massive catalyst.
Let's move to and see how this builds into Section 5, the hidden agency advantage. Why the right partnership matters.
We're shifting our perspective here from the merchant's success to the agency's operational efficiency. Recommending code means taking on risk. The old way of repeatedly evaluating unfamiliar vendors is incredibly time-consuming and carries high security and reputational risks. But by partnering with Aheadworks, the agency tapped into over 15 years of proven Magento ecosystem experience. Way less risk, way more confidence.
And the agency gained some serious operational perks. We're talking a $1 first-year subscription trial, free extension migration, and feature matching so they didn't have to start their evaluations from scratch. Plus, they got dedicated priority support and ongoing security considerations. This meant their developers could actually stop wasting hours auditing unknown code for vulnerabilities and spend that time delivering real value to the client.
It all boils down to this fantastic summary from the source material. Less time evaluating vendors, less implementation risk, more confidence in the solution. That brilliantly illustrates the absolute ultimate goal of any digital agency, right there.
So I want to leave you with this provocative question to ponder. Are you just adding random functionality to your stores, or are you strategically mapping trusted solutions to eliminate customer friction? Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, you focused learners. Now go audit those vendor strategies, and I'll catch you next time.